Okay, so today we're gonna install the ResCarta Toolkit using the terminal. I'm going to connect to my server via SSH key and CyberDuck, and I'm speeding through this because you may not connect to your server this way. You may not even need to connect to a server. This is what I'm doing. The first thing that we're gonna do is install Java, because ResCarta Toolkits is going to need Java to run. We're going to click yes on here. I'm sorry, we're going to type yes, type Y, and enter. And now we can check to see that it was installed correctly. So we are also going to need Oracle. For this, I went on to the DigitalOcean website to see what version I need. So I'm going to find the version that I need. I already downloaded it. And then we're going to run the command. I'm going to upload it to CyberDuck before I run this command. So we can ls to see that the file was uploaded correctly. And again, if you're not doing this through a server, you will not need to upload this to CyberDuck. So I'm gonna do a Y here for yes. I'm gonna type yes. There we go. Okay, and now we install the software properties. Okay, so now that that's done, we are going to update and make sure that you spell correctly. I clearly can't. But we're going to update, and then after the update, we can continue. And really, you should do this before you start anything. But I forgot, so I did it later on. That's okay. Um, so we're making a directory. Okay, and now that we're done with that, we are going to install Oracle Java 11 installer. It's going to ask if we want to continue. And here we're just going to press enter or OK. We're going to say yes to agree, and this is going to install. Okay, once we're done with Java, we exported that. Now we can install Ghostscript, which is going to be needed for ResCarta. It's going to ask if you want to continue. We're going to say yes. Let that install. And then we're also going to need to install FFmpeg. And the last thing we're going to install is VLC, same as with GhostScript and FFmpeg. We just say sudo apt install VLC. And now we're going to get ResCarta from the web. So I forgot to write my URL, but you're just going to do wget, and then you're going to type in or copy your URL. I like copying things. I like typing out things, but copying is probably better because there's less room for error. You do whatever you like to do best. Okay, so I got the RC tools from the ResCarta website, and now I'm uploading it to the CyberDuck. So I installed it in the server using the terminal, but I also went online and downloaded it. And you're gonna install the now that we have gone through all of that, we've installed everything that we needed. We're gonna do the actual installation of the ResCarta kit. So that's what we're doing right now. And we need to select a path. So and we're just gonna kind of go through this. And I am going to put no for a shortcut, but you might want to do this. Okay, different day, different background. I'm just going to kind of show you what happens when you click on the icon here. And this is the one that I downloaded from the internet. So my Mac is telling me that it can't open it because it was downloaded from the internet. So I'm just going to open up my settings, go to security and privacy, and click on open anyway. And we're going to open it. But again, this is the one that I downloaded from the internet, not the one that I used my terminal to install. And once you open it, you have to have Java, it'll open up, and then you're going to follow the steps here to install. We're going to accept the license agreement, and you can select a different installation path. Mine already exists, so we're just going to say yes here. And here you get to choose what you want to install or uninstall. I want all of it. I'm just showing you. You can unclick. So I'm just going to click on next, next, and let this do its thing. And then you're going to click next, and then you're going to click done. Yeah, so you'll go to your Finder, Applications, and you will find the RC tools, the ResCarta tools here. You can click on it, and it will open locally on your computer so you can use it.